how to get activation code for ExpressVPN. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can get activation code for ExpressVPN. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to get the activation code for ExpressVPN, you just need to follow some steps. First of all, open up any of the browser which is easy for you, convenient for you, or you may simply open Google. After that, simply search for ExpressVPN. Simply type in ExpressVPN and tap on Go and tap on ExpressVPN official website, where you'll be able to see steps on how you can get your activation code. So the number one step is go to the ExpressVPN dashboard. After that, if promoted, enter your ExpressVPN credentials and click sign in. After that, simply enter the verification code that is sent to your email, and then your activation code will appear on the dashboard under the setup your device. Click your activation code to copy it to your clipboard, which is the easiest step on how you can get your activation code. So you just need to follow the steps and you will be able to get your activation code very easily on ExpressVPN. So just follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.